when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Hello guys!
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening!
Good evening.
What are the ingredients?
350 grams of grated carrots, 350 grams of wheat flour, 300 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of bakery powder,
Very good.
4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, margarine to grease, flour for dusting.
Very good. How to prepare?
Yeah. In a blended cup, put grated carrot. Eggs, sugar, oil, and milk. Mix everything well. Vai acrescentar mais cenoura. Água tá ok, vou comer cenoura.
Carrot.
Adiciona carrot.
Pode dançar, Evaldo. You can dance.
Vamos fazer pronto aqui. Grace about with butter, sprinkle with flour.
After to make the mixture, right?
Yeah, pour the mixture into bowl.
Delicious.
Wow. Seems very good.
Microwave for 10 minutes. Remove and let rest for 5 minutes. One mold.
Oh, it's beautiful.
If you want, cover with the condensed milk. Condensed milk. Mix the condensed milk and the salt. Add the butter and microwave about 2-3 minutes. Just to melt the butter and cover the cake.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. and miss the crowd.